Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm showing you how to remove an airbag on a steering wheel that's locked into place without the key, so the steering wheel won't rotate. First thing and foremost is unhook the battery so the airbag doesn't have any power going to it. Alright guys, once you get the battery unhooked, find on the steering wheel, it's going to have covers locating the screws that hold the airbag in place. And on this vehicle, we've already got them removed, and they're right here. There's one on each side, and there's the screws, and they're a Torx bit, and they're a T30 on this particular vehicle, and you're going to remove both of those. Alright guys, once you get both those removed, let's say, depending on your vehicle, they might be slightly different. Once you get those removed, you can simply lift the airbag up and get to the plugs that are underneath the airbag. And the black one right there, that is for your horn. And now we're going to unplug those. Give us 1 second, guys. Alright guys, we got stuck there. We got the horn button unplugged. This is, like I said, this button right here is for your horn, and then these right here are for the actual airbag itself. And this is a push-pull release that hold these airbags into the clips into place, so they can't come loose on you, because otherwise, you know, the manufacturer can get sued. So we're gonna get that undone. Let's see here, guys. What you do, like I said, you push and pull at the same time. Let me see if I can show y'all here with one hand. Push down on that clip and then pull it down, and it releases that clip. The way it works. And that's how you unplug the airbag. And there you go, guys. That's how you remove an airbag safely. Because I have seen them deploy, and you see them videos on YouTube of people not knowing how to do it, and they have an airbag deploy and blow up right in their face. So hope you found this video useful. Smash that subscribe button. Also hit that thumbs up button. Y'all have a great day.